Hi guys, welcome back to Tutorial Millennial channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to add filters on TikTok. So first you have to tap on upload and then choose the photo you want to use. You can also take a camera, and then so this is just an example. Choose the photo and then tap next, and then now I can post to story or next. And now I'm choosing different portraits, and then so you can use portrait, landscape, food, or vibe for the different filters. That's just the big categories, and that's it. That's the capacity. You can make it very dark or very light. So once you're done, you just have to tap next and then just post like a picture. That's it, and thank you for watching.